There's a remarkable study out this week that casts a whole new light on the great white shark. We're talking that man-eating star of the movie Jaws. It turns out these massive animals actually have very predictable habits, and they may hang out a lot closer to your favorite beach than you think. Here's David Curley with this week's Nature's Edge Notebook.
If you thought the biggest predator in the ocean was just an occasional visitor to your beach, think again. It turns out these top-of-the-food chain carnivores actually hang out along the coast in large numbers, and they aren't roamers.
They regularly travel thousands of miles through the ocean, but it's a very consistent pattern, and they always return to the same sites.
Researchers over 8 years tagged nearly 200 great white sharks with satellite transmitters. The tracking data surprised them. These Pacific sharks spend August through February hugging the coast of California, feasting on sea lions, seals, and other prey. Then they head west, some traveling all the way to Hawaii, others to an area between the islands and California. In fact, when all the tracking data is plotted, it's clear the sharks concentrate right here, which is why it's been named by the scientists the Cafe.
We're not sure if in the cafe they're breeding or going there just to feed. Now, a cafe is a place where either of those activities could be initiated. So the name's a little bit vague and ambiguous on purpose.
While Jaws left us thinking that these big fish are menacing man-eaters, the researchers come away with the opposite conclusion. Since the sharks spend so much time near our coast, they really do, for the most part, leave us alone.
The minuscule number of attacks tells us that they're really minding their own business.
Their best advice? Don't hang around the seals, because the sharks are too, and they're hungry. For the World News Webcast, David Curley, ABC News.